All right, here we go. Surface area time. We're doing the surface area of a, you guessed it, cylinder. Surface area of a cylinder. Find surface area of a cylinder. Surface area of a cylinder equals 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r squared. Here, our height is 12, and our radius is going to be 7. Half of this number. The 14 applies to the diameter, which is the whole thing. Remember, the radius is half of the diameter. So I throw what I know into the formula, okay? From there, I go 2 times 7 times 12. 2 times 7 times 12, 14 times 12. I got 168 pi plus 7 squared is 49. 49 times 2, 90 pi, which gives me a total of 266. 260 pi yards squared. Volume is a little bit different, but very similar. Volume is just pi r squared h. So pi times 7 squared times 12. 7 squared is 49. 49 times 12 gives me 588. Yards cubed. Now let's go on to the next one. Surface area of a cone. But before I do the surface area of a cone, surface area of a cone is pi r l plus pi r squared. All right. So define the L. L is our slant height, remember. This is our L right here. Okay. That means I need to use the Pythagorean theorem to find L. Well, recognize that that is 14 L, and this is actually 5.5, half of 11. So I do 5.5 squared plus 14 squared equals L squared. Let's see my work here. 5.5, I got plus 14 squared, I got 226.25 equals L squared. Square root both sides. L equals 15.04. So remember that L is actually the slant height, okay? It's that edge, it's that curve, it's not the height of the actual shape, which is 14, it's the edge. All right, so let's plug this in now. SA equals pi times R, which is 5.5, times L, which is 15.04, plus pi times 5.5 squared. So I got SA equals 82.72 pi plus 30.25 pi. Right? Yeah. 112.92 pi inches squared. Wow. Let's try the volume. Volume equals pi r squared h over 3. R is 5.5 squared times the height of 14. It's the height of the shape. All right, the height of the shape starts at the vertex, starts at the top, and just goes straight down to the base and is perpendicular to that base. I got 423.5 pi all over 3. Only do 423 divided by 3, all right? Don't include the pi, and you should get 141.67. pi inches cubed. Okay. Unless it says to round, don't multiply pi out. All right. Don't multiply the pi's out. Okay. Especially when you're right here at this point. All right. When you're adding these two parts together, don't multiply pi out. Next one. You got a rectangular prism. So remember, a rectangular prism, remember what these prisms, the bases are the unique shape. There is no unique shape. Every single face here is a rectangle. It's like a Kleenex box. Every single side is a rectangle. So really the base I can call the actual true base, which is right here, which is the same as the bottom of this 19th and 28. So I'm going to do that work over here. I have 19 and 28, and then these are going to be the same. And these will be the same. So the perimeter, 19 plus 19 plus 28 plus 28. What did I get? 94, it looks like. Yeah. The area of the base is going to be 19 times 28, which I got to be 532. So surface area of a prism equals perimeter of the base times the height of the shape plus 2 times the area of the base. Well, this is why I did all that work on the bottom left there. The perimeter of the base I know is 94. The unused side length. So this is how I like to think about it. The side that I did not use yet is that 39. 39 is the height of our shape. Not the height of our base, it's the height of our shape. Right? It's the only number we haven't used yet. So I say, oh, I didn't use 39, got to use it at some point. Let's put it in for our height. Plus 2 times the area of the base, which is 532. I get 3,666 plus 1064. That's a big number. 4730 feet. All right. For the volume equals area of the base times the height. Area of the base is 532. The height is 39. So I get 20,748 feet cubed. Oh, wow. Big number. All right, I'm going to stop there.